Let's document every damaged section. Mark this corrosion. Mark this corrosion. The deck support is badly weakened.
Increase the pressure! The algae is finally coming off! Keep the hose clear!
Remove everything that's rotten. Watch that wiring. Load this into the container. Alignment looks correct. Mark the entire cut line. Steel plate is ready for installation. Lower it slowly. Hold it there. Alignment is perfect. Keep the seam steady. Grinding this edge now. Reinforcement is secured. Measure twice. Fit this plank tightly. Spacing looks good. Spacing looks good. Glass is aligned. Secure the railing. Seal this joint. Keep the coats even. Primer coverage looks excellent. Move to the bow section next. Keep the pressure even. This section feels smooth now. Dust has been cleared. Lower the engine slowly. Mount bolts are aligned. Cooling lines connected. Cabinet alignment looks perfect. Bring the marble panel. Ceiling lights are ready. Navigation system installed. Check the cable routing. Radar is secured. Keep the overlap consistent. Coverage is even. Move toward the bow next. Final pass complete. Excellent coverage. Paint thickness is perfect. Polish this section next. Reflection is improving. Remove the remaining masking. Railings are secure. Anchor system finished. Polish complete. Place the sofa here. Lighting looks perfect. Interior is almost complete. Engine diagnostics are normal. Hydraulic pressure is within specification. All systems are ready for final inspection. Ceramic coating is complete. Stainless finish looks perfect. Glass is crystal clear. Hull finish is flawless. Paint thickness is within specification. Final inspection passed. Diagnostics disconnected. Navigation lights are operational. Everything is ready. That's the last scaffold. Everything is packed. Restoration is complete.
The transformation is complete. This once abandoned vessel is now a masterpiece of luxury.